YouTube? It's your boy Life of KD, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if this... Nah, this going on Life of KD. What's up with y'all, bro? I'm here with my homie Sean, fool. I'm finna cut his hair, bro. Finna cut this off. Bald. No, I'm playing. But I'm finna give him a tape, though, bro. I'm finna cut his hair. I just kind of started cutting others people's hair, but I've been cutting my own hair for, like, at least a year and a half. At least a year and a half. Really, like, 2.5, but I don't want to extend it and y'all be like, So, you feel me? But I'm finna get my man's a cut. I'm finna record the process and all of that, bro. I'm finna let y'all see what go down, see what the cut looking like and all that. But, yeah. We're gonna see how this shit go. All right, y'all. So, look, as y'all can see, I got a little box in front of me, bro. I just got a speaker, bro, where I got this, like, maybe 2-3 weeks ago. But this was for something big. I'm not gonna tell you why, because y'all don't know yet. But it's for something big, bro. But I'm gonna just open it now, because why not, you feel me? But I need some scissors. Hold on. Here we go. Oh, I popped that bitch open. Oh. Boy, yo, boy. All right, we throwing all the trash out, man. Oh, my God. This joint huge. Oh, shit. Oh, bro, this huge, bro. Oh. All right, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. I got a speaker, bro. We finna see how this thumping and jumping, you know what I'm saying? I spent like $200 for this shit, bro. So we gonna see, bro. We'll see what it's talking about. And I'm gonna let y'all know, cause y'all can't hear no music. I'm not playing no copyright music. The music trash. So I'm gonna just play it and then let y'all know. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, man, the speaker is thumping, bro. The speaker worked for sure. My boy got his food that he ordered, so he eating right now, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm waiting to get my man's a cut, man. We finna see how it's gonna go, man. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm just letting y'all know. I'm just keeping y'all updated per usual. Y'all see I got the light set up and all type. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna pick this up in a second. We gonna put him out of bounds. Yeah, we just got a nigga when he slip. Yeah, we just hit him out of town. Let me make it, I was keep it fit. Yeah, we just put 100 down. Yeah, she licking, she just want the time. I really be cooking, she all in her body. Chillin' my spotty nigga, they be watching. Bringing that back, she ready to get me sloppy. Sloppy your city, ready to get it poppin'. But hey, y'all, look, bro. I'm finna get to cutting my nigga hair, bro. So, yeah, and we can play our own music, because don't got copyright on our shit. You feel me? So that's what I'm gonna do. So y'all can just like hear me if we saying something or whatever the case. Alright, y'all. Let's get it, gang. You want me to cut that off or you want me to? Yeah, cut it. Yeah. You already in that bit though. You already in that bit though, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, so this is the final product, man. I gave my man a little taper, bro. Tell me what y'all think, man. Oh, snap. I think I just knocked over his bottle. But yeah, man, I gave my man a taper. If it was better lighting, bro, y'all would really be able to see, bro. But he fucking with the cut, bro. This is my second person I ever cut, bro.